Hey everyone, I know many of you, our faithful customers, have always been asking us, what does this one do? What does this one do? So we're a health food shop, Pay Healthier Living, dealing with products that can help you in view of your health. But then, it's not about products, it's about what we are eating on a daily basis. So today we decided to start with one of the superfoods. So we want to give you a series of the health benefits of the superfoods. The first superfood we want to start with is tiger nuts. What is a superfood? Superfoods are foods that are loaded with a lot of nutrients that you can never ever imagine that one single food will have that much nutrient in it. So tiger nuts, they call them nuts. They are not actually a nut per se. They grow in the ground just like granules do. Granules have an outer shell on them, but tiger nuts do not have. They grow typically in desert regions. Here in Africa, we find them commonly in the Niger Republic, the northern parts of Nigeria, partly in Ghana, north of Cameroon, but then we in Cameroon, we actually import them from Niger Republic. Chad as well, they do grow there too. I'm promising you now, next video I'm going to look for it's not a tree, it's just like grass. I'm going to look for one and show you. So they actually grow in the soil. They don't have a shelf, so you take it like that and eat it directly. It's called tiger nut. That is the name. So who should eat tiger nuts? That is the question. Who should eat tiger nuts? Tiger nuts are a delicacy for everyone. They are sweet, but there's no limitation. Even those affected by diabetes who have to take care of whatever thing that they have to eat, tiger nuts go even a long way to control diabetes, to suppress blood sugar. I have a friend, or better still, one of our customers here. The daughter is 21 years old with diabetes mellitus. Virtually, she tells us the only thing that she can allow her daughter eat on control, which is sweet, is tiger nuts. So whenever she comes here, she picks about 5-6 packs of tiger nuts just for the daughter, because she knows at least with that the blood sugar level may not rise. What do we have as nutrients in tiger nuts? They are loaded with minerals like potassium, magnesium, which are of course necessary for the proper function of the cells in our body. They are a good source of vitamins, proteins, and a lot of other micronutrients that our body needs. Antioxidants that go a long way to help us prevent diseases. That's why some people are old but they look younger when they consume this what we call tiger nuts. You find them locally if you're here in Cameroon, you find them locally in the market, being pushed in wheelbarrows. When you look at our fellow countrymen from the northern part of Cameroon, you see them always like chewing these things. Some locally we call them Hausa granules. So for general good health and well-being, like also the fiber content in it makes it to help you digest your food very well. It helps as well to regulate your entire cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular means that what? Heart and blood vessel system. That concerns things like hypertension, the proper function of your heart, so that why you actually preventing heart attacks. You're preventing what? High blood pressure. You are having your diabetes under control. You can eat food and it digests well. Help you to regulate your weight. Weight is also one of the greatest problems out there that many people have about their health. And with weight, when you overweight, it's not just about the weight itself. Other diseases are associated with overweight, like you have hypertension, diabetes, and even chronic pains, because our bodies are meant like to have a certain weight that our knees can carry. So if we overweight, you start having knee joints, having back ache. So weight is something that can lead to many other diseases in the body. So having your weight under control is also very, very important. Something that tiger nuts can actually help as well. Now, who should eat tiger nuts? We asked at the beginning. Of course, everyone. Children, young, old, male, female can consume tiger nuts. It can be consumed in different forms. Just having it as a nut, taking it and chewing it, and chewing it just like groundnuts. Then another excellent form to have them is in the form of a powder milk. So we have it here as a tiger nut powder milk that we give out. So consuming it like a milk. In Spain, they have what they call a chufa. It's an established tiger nut drink, which is very, very, very wonderful. So, of course, this thing is sealed. You see me I just break the seal, so I need to open it so that I can. It's like the pack doesn't want me to open it, but of course it will be open so that we can better demonstrate. If not, I can take the scissors and do that. So. I think we'll have the scissors in here somewhere. No, it's okay. It's okay. I will do it with the hand again. So you can actually take it like this and put it in a cup yourself. Of course, can be. So it's a drink, tiger nut, a fresh tiger nut drink. You can take them dry and still come out with this. You can take them wet, soak them and blend it. But then this is a powder milk. We just mix like this and enjoy as a cold drink. Another way we have tiger nuts here for you is in what we call choco chop. This is now a delicacy on itself. It's a chocolate sweetened naturally with date fruits as a natural sweetener. So cocoa, tiger nuts powder, and dates as a sweetener. So this is our product of the year. I call it already. We had this product here, I think 2 months ago, first time. We did a sample with 10 packets. The first lady who took one of these, after 30 minutes, she came back and took another one because she said, what, it's so delicious. Let me just try one. Perfect. Now, please, I'm sorry, but this thing, you can eat this pack in 5 minutes. What other way again can we consume tiger nuts? There's another delicacy in here. This one is new. The waiting list is so long that we cannot even satisfy. We call it choco drink. Since it's a new product, that's why there's no sticker on it yet. The choco drink is a delicious chocolate drink, hot chocolate drink, out of tiger nuts, cocoa, whole grain cocoa powder, and date fruits as a sweetener. So it's a hot drink you can consume at any time of the day, preferably in the morning for your breakfast, or in the evening as well, for an easy relaxation, improving quality of sleep, memory. Talking about memory, also memory in children, it boosts memory. Our little ones, when they drink it, they love it, but not just loving it. They are more active in school with their homework, and also sleeping easily at night is something that is recommended virtually for each and every one of us. So young, old, male, female, choco drink. Let me just demonstrate to you. So you just take about, depending on your taste, 2 to 3 teaspoons of it in a cup like this. I love having it sweet. That's and a bit thick. That's why I put 3 spoons. So hot water. So as I say, it's a drink for relaxation at any time of the day. Sound sleep. So you stir in it, and there you go. You have a delicious drink. Let me have a sip of it. Excellent. Now, of course, there are many other ways you can consume tiger nuts. we are approaching Christmas. We have it as well for you as tiger nut flour. This one now for those who bake. If you used to taking coconut and adding to your cake, just remove coconut and put tiger nuts. You will see the result for yourself. But then we know gluten is not also something that everybody wants to get out there. Gluten is a protein which is in wheat flour. So as a substitute, what we actually recommend you for your Christmas recipes, you have the pear flour out of sweet potato and plantains, and then tiger nut to replace your coconut in whatever thing that you use to put in coconut in there. So I'm sure we could give you some information about the health benefits of tiger nuts and how they can be consumed. If you could find value in this, please share to people whom you think could benefit from this information about tiger nuts, how they can be helped from it. Subscribe to our channel so that why the next superfood, you should not miss it. We shouldn't be the ones to remind you, please, there is a video, just subscribe, and any other video coming up about superfoods, you'll get it automatically. Thank you.